Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I made a jumbo big braid knotless braid using a full lace net. So make sure you watch this video till the end. It is very detailed, so I will be right back guys. So guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony Style. To my returning viewers, you're welcome. To my returning subscribers, to my newly subscribers, you're all welcome. So I made a previous video on how to outline this L9, this cap. I've made a previous video on how to make this lines on this net. So in case you've not watched it, just go back and watch. I'll drop the link in the description box guys. So now I already ventilate almost all. So I still have some at the back, so I'll just show you the way I did everything, how I ventilate on this cap. So I've drew the N9 in my previous video, so in case you've not watched that, please just go back. I'll drop the description. I'll drop the link in my description box. So guys, just go back and watch, and to make it more easier and to make it more simpler to you guys. So I've already done this. I'll ventilate on almost all the parts, like the front side, the sides, the middle part. So it remains this back side, this elastic side, this adjustment side. So I just want it to be very easy for you and to know the way I ventilate on this side, this particular side. I'm not turning this side inside, like I turn it outside because it's the right place to ventilate for me. So guys, I drew a cube shape, like a square shape for this like a knotless braid, a big knotless braid, to give it a lot of styles. So I gave my a square shape. So it's already details in the previous video. I'll drop the link for you in my description box. So guys, this is the so I wear it on my mannequin head just to show you the way I'll be ventilating right from the front, the sides, the middle, and all. So guys, I'll pin this down with a safety pin. That's what I did to the rest also. I'll pin it down to with a safety pin, like where you are seeing it on the screen now. So I've pinned it down, like I've pinned the particular place I want to ventilate on down. So in my previous video, I said this back side will be bigger than the other side, like it will be bigger. The way the cube is already giving me a which shape will I call it, this other shape is not more a cube shape at the back, so it's just bigger than the rest because of the band at the back. So this is how I ventilate around, like in a square shape, like the way you are seeing it on the screen now. So I ventilate in a square shape, like can you see it, like the box shape. I ventilate all over the box, the box space. So if you don't know the way to ventilate, I've done several videos on how to ventilate, so I'll be dropping some for you in my description box in case you don't know how to ventilate. So I'll drop it in my description box. You go and watch it, the way how to ventilate. I've done several videos on how to ventilate, being it closure, frontals, braid, anyone. I've done several videos on how to do that, so I'll just drop the link for you in my description box in case you don't know how to. So guys, just go there and watch. So I'm going to ventilate inside this cube, like this is it. I ventilated inside it, like I ventilate inside it. Like can you see, like I ventilate like how many times? Close to 10-12 times. Like can you see the way I ventilate inside, straight in a straight line, a horizontal line, not a vertical line. Like the way the net are arranged, like if you see the net, you can they make it in a straight way, like in a vertical way, in a straight way. I've done this. I've teach on how to ventilate in my previous video, so that's and you can see. So you just go back there and watch. You see the way they ventilate. I've done several videos on how to ventilate. Yeah. So and you see this back side, like I didn't ventilate on it. Like you can see, I did not ventilate on this back side, like this space side, but it's still giving me a cup shape. I think you guys understand what I'm saying. It's still giving me a cup shape, but I didn't ventilate on that particular spot, that elastic side. So when I was done, I adjusted, like you've seen it earlier, I adjust the band just to give it a tight look. You can see I'll remove that side and I will adjust it. So if anybody buy this it will be easier for you to just go back and adjust it to your size. That's the essence of not ventilating on it. So guys, this is how I did everything. I ventilate in a cup shape and I ventilate inside the cup shape. Inside the cup. I ventilate inside after giving it a cup shape. I ventilate inside the cup. Like I ventilate like 10 to 12 times. Okay, this is how I ventilate inside. Like I'll leave a row. No, I left 2 rows this time around. Yeah, I left 2 lines. Sorry, I left 2 lines for a line. Like I'll leave 2 lines. I'll ventilate on one. I'll leave another 2 lines. I'll ventilate on another one. No, this one is just a It's just a what's it called? Braid. So it's not a closure, neither is it a frontal. So I left a line, like I left 2 lines for a line after drawing the cup shape already. Like the lines where I demarcate where this thing is, the mark is after ventilate on that mark. And then when I was ventilate inside, I will leave 2 lines for one. I will ventilate on one line, leave 2 lines. I will ventilate on one line, leave 2 lines, ventilate on one line. So guys, that's how I did everything, even the back side with elastic. That's how I did everything. So back to the to this place, how I made the braid. I've already done some of the braids. I just want this video to be very quick and sharp. So I'm going to use the braid I've done on it, like the ventilating air already. I'll lose it. I'll just braid this air like normal braids, like normal knotless braid. Normal knotless braid, you are going to part the hair, right, and then you braid it down, adding attachments. And the attachment depends on you. Maybe you want it to be very big, or you may want it to be very small, or you want it a little bit small, a little bit big. And the long sizes, maybe you want it, the length size, maybe you want it to be short, or you want it to, but I want this one to be big, not too big, and long, and to be long. Like this I gave is like 40 inches. Is it 45 or 40 inches? Yeah, it's between 45 and 40 inches. So it is long, but not too long, but it is long. So that's how I did. I braid it from the start. Like I braid it like 2 to 3 times from the start before adding attachments to this hair. So that's what I did to everything. So going back to the ventilating side, the space I left in between the braids, like I left just two lines between the braids. I don't want the space to be very big, like the space, like the line space, like the airline space. I didn't want it to be very big, so I just left 2 lines. I've told you earlier, if you buy this net, you see the spaces, the spaces and the lines. So if you want to ventilate vertically, like in a straight way, you see the net, it has a straight line, so ventilate straightly. Don't ventilate vertically, like in a straight line. Don't do it in a vertical line, make it in a straight line. So I left 2 lines for a line. I've said it earlier. And after ventilating the cup shape, I'll start ventilating inside the cup shape, leaving 2 lines for. I'll leave 2 lines. I'll ventilate on one, leave 2 lines and ventilate on one. So that's how I did the ventilating inside. So guys, thanks for watching once again. And this hair, I'll be selling this hair at cheaper price, at giveaway price for any first person that messaged me. I don't even know how to do it, sha. I'm going to sell this hair as giveaway price. Actually, if I want to sell this hair, or if any vendor wants to sell this hair, they can't sell it anything less than 45,000, or even if it's cheaper, maybe 40,000 or 35,000. I don't know how. But this hair, if you see the quality of this hair and everything, you can see his details is okay and is good to go. But for my subscribers, maybe you don't have the strength to do this hair and you want this hair, or you want to resell the hair, I can do it for you and as much as possible. But this hair, I'm going to sell it for 25,000 naira. It's cheap, right? Yes, I know it's cheap. So if you want this hair, just I'll drop my 9, like my WhatsApp 9, in the description box. Just go down, tap on it and message me on my WhatsApp. Just tell me you are from my YouTube page, you are my subscriber, and make sure you are my subscriber, because if you are not my subscriber, I will not give you at that rate. So for this is for my subscriber. Just tell me you are my subscriber and I'll confirm you are my subscriber, and I will sell the hair for you as low as 25,000 naira. So this is when I was putting hot water on it. So don't worry about the tip side, the hair side, the scalp side. Just pour it on every part of the hair. Like the net is thick enough to absorb hot water. So don't be scared about it. Don't be scared about the tip. I pour the hot water right from the top of the hair to the tip of the hair. From the everything, I pour hot water on it. You know, I made use of attachments for the scalp, like for the ventilating. I make use of attachments. So guys, I still put this hair on mannequin head and pour hot water from the head to the bottom. So don't be scared of putting hot water. Nothing will happen to the net. So guys, this is when I was done with the hair, and I'll just go ahead and put some baby hair, like the edges. I just put it at just for 2 sides. I put edges for the 2 sides. And this mega growth stuff, I did not put mousse, I did not put spray. This thing is even enough for anything. You will see how it's shining and all. So I just tear it and put a little part. I didn't put much. I rub it on my palm and I use it to rub the hair. You can see how the hair is looking already. You see how beautiful it is. So please, when you pour hot water on it, make sure you sun dry it. Don't blow dry it. Don't use a blowing dryer for it. Sun dry it, and after you sun dry it, after sun drying, that's when I was putting this cream. They sell this cream, and if you buy Darling attachment or 2, it's inside. And I actually got this from Darling attachment, but for this hair I did not use Darling attachment. I use a Lush attachment. So guys, I rub it on it and I massage it well on it. You can see how shiny it is. I went from the bottom side, I rub from the top to the bottom, to the bottom side. So this is it. So I'm just showing you the way I did the shape at the front. And now this is when I'll put the baby hair. I actually put it at just 2 sides, so I don't want it very much. So I put it at the 2 sides, and I use a woman hair for the baby hair. For the edges, I use woman hair for it. So guys, this is when I was done with the hair. I even did photo shoot for my so thanks to my sister, she made the picture and everything, you can see how bright this thing is, how beautiful the hair is, how good looking it is. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. And if you want this hair, as I've said earlier, make sure you're my subscriber. I'll drop my WhatsApp line in my description box, so message me and tell me you are from YouTube and you are my subscriber, and I'll sell it for you at cheaper right, just for 25,000 instead of 45,000, 20,000 different. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.